walking down this endless road. Dusty boots, heavy load. Sky above so vast and wide. Eyes on the horizon, lost in stride. Birds they soar, they're feeling fine. Wings spread out, no confined line. I watch them fly against the blue, dreaming that freedom can be true. Free like a bird I wanna be. No chains, no ties, just wild and free. Soaring high above the pain. Never walking alone again. Steps they echo in the night. Lonely path, faint street light. Journey's long, but I won't fold. Heart and soul begin to mold. Whispering winds carry my plea. Take these burdens, set me free. Nature's whispers call my name. In their peace I stake my claim. Birdsong guides me through this fight. In the dark they bring the light. Lessons learned from sky so high. On my wings I will rely. Whispering